back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a heart-shaped logo in Adobe Illustrator. Make sure in view that Smart Guides and Snap to Point is activated. We will start with the black fill and no stroke color, and we'll activate the rectangle tool. When you hold Shift, you've got this square. Hold Shift and rotate it. With the selection tool, press V for that, and then align it to the center. Then hold Alt, drag a copy out of it and hold Shift. We'll repeat the process a couple of times. Now I shift click on two rectangles and do it again, hold Alt, drag a copy out of it and repeat it on the other side. Now I press A for the direct selection tool and I shift click on all of these four anchor points, and then I drag the curvature tool inwards as far as I can. Here's our heart shape. And now we simply have to color it, and we'll use basic color swatches. Just click on them, go to the fill color up here and choose a different color swatch. And this is how easy you can create a heart-shaped logo in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.